We all know that AI is only as good as the context it understands. So we started asking, what if Rhino could work a little more like a BIM? Introducing Reer Sync, an interactive process that gets the Reer agent aligned with your project from the very beginning. Units, site orientation, special project rules, layer structures, object properties, the stuff that actually matters in real workflows. And as the project evolves, that context stays synced, continuously shaping how Reer understands and works with your model. Let's see how it works on a real project. Reer will automatically suggest running sync when you connect a new file. You can also find it in the dropdown, or just type /sync. As you can see, Reer first scans the entire model and then asks a series of questions to better understand the project. I'll tell it this is an in-progress hillside hotel design and ask it to follow my instructions for the next steps. In Rhino, we usually don't name every single object. So when you click on things, you end up with placeholder labels like polysurface or extrusion, which becomes really hard for AI to reason about at scale. So first, let's ask Reer to reorganize the layers. I'm attaching screenshots of a layer convention system I used in past projects. Before making changes, Reer confirms a few things with me, like whether unused layers should be deleted, and whether it should only create layers that are actually needed for this project. Now the layers are cleaned up, let's move on to naming every object. I'm specifying that the X+ axis represents north, and asking Reer to rename objects based on both what they are and where they are located. While that's processing, let's quickly check the layer organization it just created. Walls, columns, glazing, panels, everything already looks correctly sorted. And now the object naming is done too. So if we zoom in here, we can immediately tell these are southeast stairs with every individual step numbered. If we click this south-facing wall, its full semantic name now appears in the Rhino Properties panel. Same thing for this east side glazing panel. Or this southeast corner column number 470. Which means we can finally interact with the model the way we naturally describe buildings. For example, select all south side railings. And now 925 objects can be referenced with virtually no ambiguity.